If your left AirPod isn't charging in the case, don't worry. It's a common issue and there are several tried and true fixes. It's usually a connection issue like dirty contacts, a case problem, or a battery fault in the AirPod itself. Let's go step by step to fix it. Now, the first thing you need to try is to clean the AirPod and the charging case. Dirt or pocket lint in the case or on the AirPod contacts can block charging. Bring out both of your AirPods, then get a soft, dry brush to clean the AirPods. After that, get a cotton bud or a similar thing to clean the charging port inside the AirPods charging case. This is where both of your AirPods receive charge from, so make sure that this place is clean. You can also bring your left AirPod and check bottom metal area of it to see if there is any damage there. Your AirPods receive charge from this place, so if it's damaged, you can face problems like this. So after that, the next thing you can try is reinserting the AirPod properly. Take both of the AirPods out of the charging case and put it back in firmly. You should see the status light flash, which will indicate contact. Try slightly twisting it in the case to ensure connection. After that, check the battery status. Bring the AirPod near your iPhone, preferably right beside it. Now open the case lid, wait for the AirPods battery pop-up. Check if the left AirPod shows 0% or not detected. If it's missing or stuck at 0%, it's definitely not charging. In that case, you can try this solution. Solution 2. Reset your AirPods. Put both AirPods in the charging case. Open the lid of the charging case. On older AirPod models, you will need to press and hold on to the button in the back of your AirPod's charging case. Hold the button for 15 seconds. After the time has passed, the light of your AirPod will flash red and then white. That means reset is complete. For the newer AirPod model I'm holding, it has a touch response. So if you have this model, first open the lid of the charging case. Then you will have to keep tapping below the light indicator in front of the charging case. Tap 2 times, and then 2 more times, and then 2 more times. Now it will blink in red a few times, and then it will turn white. This means the AirPods have been reset. After the buds have been reset, try to connect the AirPods and see if the issue is fixed. Usually, the problem gets fixed at this point. But if it's still not charging, it could mean that your AirPod is damaged, so try contacting Apple support for help. I'm sure they will help you out and fix the problem. So that's all there is to it. Hope this helped.